Hi guys, my name's Cameron, aka the Cocktail Coach, aka the Mindful Mixologist, and I'm here today to bring you a masterclass in non-alcoholic and functional cocktails. Now this is going to be a 3-part series sponsored by Free Spirit. If you haven't heard of these guys, check them out. They make non-alcoholic drinks which have all those complexities as hard-hitting booze but without none of the booze. They're gluten-free, they're vegan-friendly, they're sustainable, and each one has a different functionality, perfect for a different mood or a different part of the day. Each one of these free videos, we're going to focus on one and show you how you can use it for a functional cocktail. Now, what is a functional cocktail? A functional cocktail, it can be alcoholic, it can be non-alcoholic. It's something that benefits you in one way or another. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the functionality of energy. How to make a drink which is naturally energy boosting, with natural caffeine, without having to go to your usual tea or coffee. Something a bit more exciting. With the sun coming out, people are going to be drinking a lot more in the garden. You might want to swap that alcohol out for something non-alcoholic. So we're going to be making a kind of summer spritz with Free Spirit Livener as the base and the inspiration for this cocktail. Now, first thing you've got to do, grab yourself a cocktail shaker. It doesn't have to be a cocktail shaker. Anything you can shake cocktail in will do just fine. Now, Livener is full of these energy providing, energy boosting ingredients. Big source of natural caffeine, great for in the morning, great to wake you up. It's got that deep flavour. You've got the cross of fruity flavours like watermelon, mixed with the functional flavours like tea, ginseng and guava leaf, as well as a big bite coming from cayenne pepper, so it's really fiery. Works great on its own, on a glass, filled with ice and tonic. Works beautifully. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be making a cocktail that I'm calling high tea. Alright, so here's what you're going to do. Cocktail shaker, 50 millilitres of Free Spirit Livener goes in. Next up, what you want to do is brew yourself a fruity tea. Chill that in the fridge. I've got some here. What fruity tea? Any will do. This can be something more on the floral side, hibiscus and raspberries. It can be something non-specific, like just a fruit tea, labeled tea. Or it can be something very specific, citrus, lemon tea, whatever your preference is. I've got one here which is your basic fruit tea, and once again 50 millilitres is going to go in. So you just brew that up, put it in your fridge. Works great for a range of drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Then what we're going to do, we're going to grab ourselves a fresh lemon, and we're looking for about 20 millilitres of lemon juice, which is give or take about the juice from half a lemon. Then we're just going to fill this with ice, pop the lid on, give it a real good shake and get ready to serve. Alright, once that's ice cold, grab yourself a tall glass, fill it to the top with ice. And then for the rest of the way, we're going to simply top that with soda water. So grab yourself your soda water, top that up. Now to garnish that, you'll grab yourself some fresh mint. I've got some here. Potted works great, especially this time of year. You cut out all the waste from packaging. It's always fresher, the flavour's much better, it's cheaper in the long run, works perfectly, low maintenance, grows easily. Slap your mint, release those flavours, stick that in, then that's good to go there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a peach, I'm just going to cut a slice out, like so, and stick that in, and then I'm just going to roast that up a bit. Now you don't have to do this, you can do it with just a mint, you can do it with a little bit of watermelon, bring out the watermelon flavours, you can do it with whatever you want. The important thing is that you get that ratio between the Livener and the lemon, and then lengthen it with the soda. And there we go, functional, fun, in the morning, you're feeling stressed, you're feeling tired, but the sun's out, you don't want to sit in your garden having a coffee, you want to sit in your garden having this, non-alcoholic, works perfectly. And if you want to add a bit of alcohol in this and you want to add a bit of proof, what you can do is just swap out the soda water, a little bit of Prosecco, top that the rest of the way with Prosecco, works beautifully with the Livener, and there we go. That is lesson 1 in functional cocktails, sponsored by Free Spirits. I'll leave all the necessary information in the description of this video. Don't forget to check these guys out. Coming up next, I'm going to show you what we can do with Social Elixir, your mood boosting functionality cocktail. Till next time, bye for now.